Parts of the Northeast are still digging out after a record-shattering blizzard. More than 3 feet of snow fell in some cities. As CBS News Miami's Michael George reports, nearly 400,000 homes and businesses are still without power in the region.
Millions of Americans across the Northeast are digging out following the massive snowstorm that pummeled the region.
They get together, help each other out, and keep it clear.
The monster blizzard dumped more than 37 inches of snow on Providence, Rhode Island, setting a new record. New York's Long Island was buried under more than 30 inches, shattering a 50-year-old record.
If you can't enjoy shoveling snow or using a snowball on Long Island, you should get out.
New York City recorded its highest total snowfall in almost a decade, with almost 20 inches in some areas, bringing the city to a standstill.
It's a heavier snow than last time, but I feel like the city did a good job.
Tree limbs fell into streets in New Jersey and crashed onto homes in Philadelphia and outside Boston. In Kingston, Massachusetts, a plow driver narrowly escaped injury when a branch smashed through the window. The bomb cyclone dumped more than 3 feet of snow in Massachusetts, knocking out power to tens of thousands of customers. Along the state's coast, massive waves crashed against the shore, flooding nearby towns.
That's so great, but it's here 5 times.
Many people trying to fly out of the storm's path were also impacted, including this couple trying to get back to Florida after attending the Olympics in Italy.
It's the earliest we can get out now is Friday.
Thousands of flights have already been canceled for today as airlines continue working to get things back on track. Michael George, CBS News, New York.